For battery charge, the state tapers off as you get above 80%, so we'll list a whole bunch of innovations, and then when you add them up, you get a total improvement in energy density and cost. Elon Musk has once again rocked the automotive world. Tesla's 4,680 battery cells could go from being good, but not amazing, to just flat out amazing. That was a pretty big deal. There was Twitter and others engaged in active suppression of information that was relevant to the public. This time, it's a breakthrough that's sending shockwaves through Toyota and the entire industry. As the battery gets closer to full, it's harder and harder to find a spot. They have to bounce around more. Cobalt is in the batteries. It's in the Congo, and the conditions are horrible. I had no idea. Imagine an electric vehicle capable of driving 1,000 miles on a single charge, powered by revolutionary solid-state battery technology. For those familiar with cells, this is a massive breakthrough for cylindrical designs. Being able to get rid of the tabs dramatically simplifies winding and coating and has an awesome thermal and performance benefit. Electric vehicles have been making headlines for years, and Tesla is at the forefront of this revolution. But just when you thought they couldn't push things further, Elon Musk and Tesla are rumored to be developing a game-changing technology, a solid-state battery capable of a 1,000-mile range on a single charge. Imagine a world where charging anxiety is a thing of the past, and electric vehicles can travel coast to coast on a single charge. In this video, we'll break down what makes solid-state batteries so revolutionary, why a 1,000-mile battery would disrupt the entire automotive industry, and what Toyota, a longtime EV innovator, is doing in response to this competition from Tesla. Let's dive into how Tesla's 1,000-mile battery could fundamentally change the EV landscape forever. Before diving into the details of Tesla's rumored 1,000-mile battery, let's explore what a solid-state battery is and why it's such a breakthrough. Most EVs today use lithium-ion batteries, which contain liquid electrolytes to transfer ions from the positive to the negative electrode. These are effective but come with limitations in energy density, charging speed, and safety risks like overheating and, in rare cases, fires. Solid-state batteries, on the other hand, use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid one. This single change allows for higher energy density, faster charging, and greater safety. However, the development of solid-state batteries has been slow due to production challenges and cost. Now, with Tesla reportedly on the brink of a breakthrough, this technology may soon be within reach, marking a new era in the electric vehicle industry. For EV owners, the benefits of a solid-state battery are obvious: longer range, shorter charging times, and a safer driving experience. For Tesla, this technology could give them a competitive edge over traditional automakers, including Toyota, which has been working on its own solid-state battery project. Now let's talk about the real game changer, the 1,000-mile solid-state battery. A 1,000-mile range battery would be 4 or 5 times the typical range of most electric vehicles on the road today. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a seismic leap forward. Imagine owning a Tesla and being able to drive from Los Angeles to Seattle without ever stopping to recharge. That kind of range would make EVs not just comparable to gasoline-powered cars, but superior in terms of convenience. A 1,000-mile battery means less time spent at charging stations, less stress on long trips, and potentially a longer battery lifespan. With this kind of range, electric cars would suddenly become far more practical for those who travel long distances regularly. The pressure is on. Toyota is no stranger to battery technology. In fact, Toyota was among the pioneers in hybrid and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. The Prius, for instance, was one of the first widely available hybrids and established Toyota as a leader in eco-friendly automotive technology. But when it comes to fully electric vehicles, Toyota has been somewhat hesitant, preferring hybrids and fuel cells over pure EVs. However, with rumors of Tesla's 1,000-mile solid-state battery making waves, Toyota has ramped up its own research and development efforts in solid-state technology. Reports suggest Toyota has been investing heavily in developing solid-state batteries of its own, targeting a launch around 2025. While Toyota initially aimed for a range of around 500 miles on a single charge, Tesla's potential leap to 1,000 miles may force Toyota to accelerate its plans and up its game. If Tesla launches this technology first, Toyota's reputation as a leader in green technology could be overshadowed. Will Toyota be able to keep pace, or will Tesla's 1,000-mile battery send shockwaves through the automotive industry? Tesla's 1,000-mile battery wouldn't just impact Toyota, it would affect the entire automotive market. Traditional automakers like Ford, GM, and Volkswagen have all committed billions of dollars to electric vehicle development. But if Tesla achieves a massive breakthrough in battery technology, these investments could be dwarfed by Tesla's advancements. With a 1,000-mile range, Tesla could disrupt markets that have yet to widely adopt EVs, like trucking and commercial transportation in the heavy-duty and long-haul sectors. Range and charging time have been two of the big obstacles, but with a 1,000-mile battery, Tesla could potentially replace diesel trucks with electric options, fundamentally reshaping the transportation industry. For consumers, this could mean a much faster transition to electric vehicles. People who may have been hesitant about EVs due to range concerns might now consider switching, leading to a rapid acceleration of EV adoption across the globe. One challenge to a 1,000-mile battery is the infrastructure required to support it. Today, most charging stations are designed with typical EV ranges of 200 to 300 miles in mind. With a 1,000-mile battery, drivers wouldn't need to stop nearly as often. This could lead to less congestion at charging stations, but it also raises questions about how fast these massive batteries could be recharged. Supercharging technology would need to advance to make recharging these larger batteries convenient and feasible. Tesla's ongoing developments in supercharger 5 technology might provide faster, more efficient charging solutions, but the industry as a whole would need to adapt to meet the needs of these high-capacity batteries. Solid-state batteries are known for being more sustainable and environmentally friendly than traditional lithium-ion batteries, which require substantial amounts of raw materials like cobalt, nickel, and lithium. Solid-state batteries, however, require less material and are more easily recycled. Additionally, because they are more stable, they have a lower risk of thermal runaway and fire, making them safer for both the environment and the user. Tesla's potential 1,000-mile battery could accelerate the trend towards sustainable, renewable transportation, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions even further. If this battery becomes widely adopted, it could play a significant role in reducing the carbon footprint of the transportation sector. If Tesla launches a 1,000-mile battery before its competitors, the financial impact on Tesla's stock could be tremendous. Investors are likely to see this development as a major leap forward, which could drive Tesla's market valuation even higher. Wall Street analysts might revise their projections for Tesla, viewing it not only as an automotive company, but as a leader in next-generation energy storage. For Toyota, the response would likely be mixed.